Hello students, RN Classes is back with the discussion of another school paper. May I tell you a secret? Some of the questions in this paper was actually repeated from Carmel Convent 2018-2019 papers. And even few of the questions were repeated from the tests conducted by other schools of this year. Half-yearly examination which has already been conducted. So if you want to see more discussions like these, please subscribe to our channel, RN Classes. And if you like the content and the video, it would give us a good boost if you like the video as well as share it with your friends. Right? So let's jump on with it. The school name is Carmel Convent. Class 8th Mathematics Examination. Date 22nd September 2021. Right? So it was a half-yearly examination and I'm going to discuss the objective part with you first. Let's jump on. Question number 1. Question number 1 to question number 15 were all 1 marker each. So question number 1. Which of the following is a perfect number? Perfect square number. Right? Part A. 1067. 7. यूनिट डिजिट पे अगर 7 आ रहा है means it can be a perfect square. Yes. So 1067, we know the closest one. 30 square is 900. Right? इसके बाद हमें कौन सा पता है? 32 square. What is 32 square? 1024. And 33 square would be more than that. So I don't think so. This would be a perfect square. ये perfect square नहीं है. Then comes 8 at the unit place. Nope. It cannot be 8 at a unit place. It will never be a perfect square. Then comes 3. It can never be a perfect square because 3 is at the unit place. 5 at the unit place. Yes, 625. 25 square is 625. So D part is the right answer. It will not take you more than a minute to solve this question. Just check it and move on to the next one. Question number 2. In selling a plot of land for rupees 61,200, you made a profit of 20%. Find the cost price of the plot. That's it. Cost price of the plot निकालनी है. Okay. The selling price is given by 61,200 rupees. Right? Profit is given by 20%. And I want to find the cost price. Cost price निकालनी है. Do we know the cost price? No. Let's assume the cost price to be X. That's it. So profit is given by cost price minus selling price because cost price has to be less than selling price when there is a profit. Right? So profit is 20% of cost price, of course. Selling price is 61,200 minus cost price is X. So 20%, 21s are 20, 25s are 20% of X is equal to 61,200 minus X. Right? X की side change करो. X plus X by 5 is equal to 61,200. Right? X plus X by 5 is given by 6X by 5 is 61,200. So X is equal to 5 would go to the numerator and 6 would go to the denominator. Right? 6 1 the 6, then 0, 6 2 is 12, double 0, X would come out to be 51,000. X is 51,000 means cost price is 51,000. So answer is A part. As simple as that. Move on to question number 3. The solution of equation 5x equal to 2 is, okay, 5x equal to 2 equation means I have to solve for x, right? So 5 would go to the denominator on the other side. So x is equal to 2 by 5. Answer is B part. Actually a 5-second question and 1 mark in your bag. Okay, next one. 0 is not an. Okay, 0 is not an natural number, whole number, integer, rational number. Of course, natural number 0 doesn't come in natural numbers. 0 comes in whole number, integers and rational numbers. So not means natural number. Simple. Not even a 5-second question. 1 mark again with you. Question number 5. The smallest number by which 128 should be divided so as to get a perfect square is. Okay. We have to divide 128 with something so that answer becomes a perfect square. What do? Prime factorization. Prime factorization. Right? So 1, 2, 8. 2. Because there is 8 in the unit place, so 2, 64. Again it is divisible by 2, 32. Again it is divisible by 2 means 16. Again it is divisible by 2 means 8. Again it is divisible by 2 means 4. Again it is divisible by 2 means 2. Right? So prime factorization, we get it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So it has to be a perfect square. Means हमें क्या बनाने हैं? Pairs. We need pairs. 1 pair, 2 pair, and 3rd pair. इसका तो pair ही नहीं बना. Means what should be divided? If we eliminate 2, divided by 2, 2 is eliminated. So divide it by 2. Divided by 2 so that all the pairs are complete, means it becomes a perfect square. Number क्या बन जाएगा? Actually 64, which is a perfect square. Of course you know that. Question number 6. How many players make 80 runs and above? Okay, 80 runs and above. Okay, एक तो number of runs यहाँ दिए हुए हैं ऐसे, and number of players मुझे यहाँ दिए हुए हैं ऐसे. Right, 80 runs and above. Okay, 80 से ज़्यादा means यहाँ से ज़्यादा. So 80 to 90, how many players score? 8, and 90 to 100, 10. Means 80 and above is 8 plus 10. That's it. 18 players scored more than 80 runs. 18. D part is the right answer. Just interpret. That's it. I know you are capable enough. Question number 7. If 9 is added to a number, okay, it becomes 25. Okay, this statement in the form of an equation is, okay, x plus 9 is equal to 25, x minus 9 is equal to 25, 9x is equal to 25, x by 9 is equal to 25. Okay, do we know the number? No. Number ko we take it as x. If 9 is added to the number, it becomes 25. It becomes 25. So x plus 9 equal to 25 should be the equation. First part is the right answer. Interpret and get the answer. Question number 8. What will be the number of zeros? Okay, we have to count the number of zeros in square of the number of 100. Okay, 100 ka square karna, and we have to find the number of zeros. 100 square is 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. I don't think so. This is an 8th class question. Right? Even a 6th class person can do it. Question number 9. Additive identity of a rational number. Okay. वैसे तो additive identity everyone knows it is 0. But if you don't remember that, rational number is P by Q form. Right? Additive identity means you have to add this number with additive inverse. Additive inverse is minus P by Q. If you add this, what do we get? 0. So additive identity, we know it is 0. Right? Question number 10. The additive inverse of minus 34 is additive inverse. Okay? Minus 34, we have to add something to it so that it becomes 0. What do we add? 3, 4. What do we add? 34. So additive inverse of minus 34 is D part, 34. The total number of children who appeared for the test of 10 marks is, okay, test of 10 marks. Okay, marks obtained 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 10 means total marks. Maximum marks in the test is 10. Right? Maximum marks is 10 means total number of children who appeared for the test of 10 marks is total number of students 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2. Add करना है, that's it. 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2. That comes out to be 30. Right? D part is the right answer. Question number 12. A die is thrown. Okay? Die is thrown. Probability of getting an even prime number. Okay? What is a probability? Probability of an event. क्या होती है? Probability of an event is total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. ऊपर क्या आएगा? Total number of favorable outcomes. That's it. So, सबसे पहले what do we have to find? Probability even prime number. Getting an even prime number. Getting an even prime number. इसकी probability निकालनी है. Right? Total number of possible outcomes. When you are throwing a die, क्या क्या आ सकता है? 1 आ सकता है, 2 आ सकता है, 3 आ सकता है, 4 आ सकता है, 5 आ सकता है, 6 आ सकता है. So total number of possible outcomes is 6. So total number of possible outcomes is 6. Right? Even prime. Even होना चाहिए और prime. There is only one even prime number, that is 2. So probability is 1 by 6. Answer is A part. Actually आपको इतना time नहीं लगना चाहिए. This was the explanation which I was giving you. Directly आपको ये part करना है because it is an objective question, not a subjective one. You don't have to write these formulas, right? This is just for the explanation if you don't understand. Question number 13. Name the property, okay, under multiplication, okay, used in 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7, okay. अब minus 2 by 7 into 13 by 17. एक काम करते हैं, 13 by 17 को मैं लिख लेता हूं A and minus 2 by 7 को I'll write it down as B. A into B is equal to B into A. What is this property? It is commutative. That's it, as simple. Question number 14. Given below is age group of different employees of a firm. Okay. Study the following frequency distribution table and find the size of class interval. Class interval का size निकालना है. Okay. Class intervals are given 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Okay. Study the following and find out the size of class interval. We don't need the frequency actually. Class interval. मेरे को size लिखने के लिए class interval का कैसे use करेंगे? Upper limit minus lower limit. That's it. What is the upper limit? First वाले के अंदर ही हम check करते हैं, right? 20 minus 15. Answer is 5. So class size is 5. C part. As simple. Question number 15. Find the length of side of square whose area is 100 centimeter square. Okay. मेरे पास square है. Right. This is a square. Let's take it as A, B, C, D. Area is given 100 centimeter square. Right. अब length of side निकालनी है. Let us take this as side AB. If this is side, so what will be BC? Because it is a square, all sides are equal, means this is also a side. And what is the area? Area is side into side or side square, which is equal to 100. Right? So side square is equal to 100. साइड की जगह पे आपने ऐसा नंबर रखना है जिसका मैं स्क्वायर करूं 100 बन जाए. तो साइड इज इक्वल टू 10 centimeters. That's it. 10 का square is 100. Everybody knows it. Right? So answer is B part. Question number 16 की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Question number 16. Now, from now on, question 16 to question number 20, these are all of 2 marks each. Means these are objective questions. You don't have to write anything. You just have to mark the answer. But questions का level थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा होगा. Right? पढ़ते हैं. Question number 16. Central angle of a pie chart showing number of sports student is 40 degree. Okay, central angle of a pie chart showing numbers of sports student is 40 degree. Total number of students, we have got total number of students in class is 72. Find the number of students in sports. Okay, अब pie chart की बात कर रहा है. We got the pie chart. Central angle of the pie chart. Okay, we'll start the central angle from here. 40 degrees. So this is approximately 40 degrees. So central angle of showing number of sports students is 40 degree. वो दिया हुआ. Total number of students is 72. Find the number of students in sports. अब sports में कितने students हैं? As simple as that. 40 degree gives me the sector. Right? 40 degree मेरे को सेक्टर दे रहा है कि इतना यूज हो रहा है फ्रॉम द एंटायर सेंट्रल एंगल. एंटायर एंगल इज 360 डिग्रीज. राइट. टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज 72. राइट. सो हाउ मच इट इज? 0 कैंसल्ड. 4 1s are 4, 4 9 times, and 9 8s are 72. So total number of students is 8 students, जिनको हम बोल सकते हैं sports students who like sports. Right? Only 8. Answer is B part. As simple. Nothing to do much. Okay. The value of variable in equation, okay, is value of variable. सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताओ, what is a variable? Variable क्या है यहाँ पे? Z. So we have to solve for Z. अब ये क्या है? Linear equation in one variable. Just solve for Z. We'll write it again. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equal to 4 times 8z minus 13 minus 17. Right? Now, this is linear equation in one variable. What is the basic rule to solve the linear equation in one variable? Bring all the variable terms, means bring all the z terms towards the left hand side, and take all the constants, means take all the numbers towards the right hand side. That's it. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Use distributive property. 3 5s are 15z minus 3 7s are 21 minus 2 9s are 18z minus into minus plus 2 11s are 22 is equal to 4 8s are 32z minus 4 13 times 52 and minus 17. Right? Z terms this side. 15z minus 18z is minus 3z minus 32z. Right? Minus 52 minus 17, 9 and 6, negative. Minus 69, minus 21 plus 22, other side it would be minus 1. So minus 35z is equal to minus 70. So z is equal to minus 70 by minus 35. Right? So z is equal to 35 ones are 35 2 times. So minus into minus plus means z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2. Answer is 2. C part. Right? Moving on to question number 18. Which of the following is Pythagorean triplet with 12 as one of the members? Okay, Pythagorean triplet की बात कर रहा है, where 12 as one of the members. Do we know Pythagorean triplets? Yes. Pythagorean triplet is 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Right? So 12 as one of the members. So I'll take 12 as the smallest member, case 1. Up 2m is equal to 12. Can we find the value of m over here? Right, m is equal to 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So m is equal to 6. M is 6. So the values here would be 2m, m square minus 1, and m square plus 1, right? Up 6 twos are 12. 6 square, 36 minus 1, 35, and 36 plus 1, 37. So do we have this value? 35, 37, 5, 12, 14, no. 35, 37, 12. This is the right answer, B part. And yeah, you don't have to check others. No need. Let's move on to question number 19. The sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 19 is equal to, oh, अगर ध्यान दो 15 और 19, 17 missing है, means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 can be added together. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means 8 square. Plus 19 is also there, means plus 19 means 64 plus 19 is equal to 83. 83 is the right answer. Okay, 2 times 11, that is 22, no. Square of 10 is 100, that is no. Middle number plus 7, absolutely not, no. It will not come. Square root of 64, that is 8. No, answer is 83. It is not given. Probably 17 got missing in the question. If you add 17 over here, answer would be 10 square. Right? 10. First 10 odd natural numbers. Answer would be 10 square, which is equal to 100. So then answer is B part. Question number 20. How many numbers lie between square of 12 and 13? How many numbers? Okay. I want to find numbers between 12 square and 13 square. We know something. We know a formula, right? N square and n plus 1 square. We can find numbers between them. How? 2n. Right? So 2 into 12, that is 24. Answer is A part. So that concludes objective part of the paper. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Moving on to subjective part of the paper. Thank you. Let's move on to the subjective part of the paper of Carmel Convent. So there are 3 questions, 5 marks, right? So 15 marks total paper, which is the subjective part, right? Let's move on to question number 1. Oh, question number 1A. Solve using suitable properties and specify the property used. Okay. Suitable properties use करनी है and property का usage कहाँ कौन सी property use कर रहे हैं वो भी बताना है, right? So 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 bracket minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into 2 by 5. सबसे पहले इसको start करने से भी पहले देखो क्वेश्चन को, ये एक इकट्ठा है, ये एक इकट्ठा है और ये एक पार्ट इकट्ठा है, राइट? सो अब यहां देखो 2 by 5, यहां पे देखो you have another 2 by 5, means we can use 2 by 5, कॉमन आ सकता है 2 by 5. So first 1 by 14 2 by 5 has to come over here. So what we'll do, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7, which is in bracket, plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5, right? Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So which property did we use over here? Associative property. You have to write it down as it is mentioned, right? Next, abhi 2 by 5 common nikal sakte hain. We cannot take 2 by 5 common right now. First we have to commute it. Sides change. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5 into 1 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Right? हमने क्या किया? Commute किया. Means which property did we use? Commutative. Commutative property. Right? Next. Now 2 by 5 can be common. 2 by 5 bracket minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So now which property did we use over here? 2 by 5 common nikala tha, means what property did we use? Distributive. Right? Distributive property means 2 by 5 into bracket, यहाँ पे into होगा, right? Minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. We have to take the LCM. 1 by 14. 7 2s are 14. 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 plus 1. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Right? So, 2 by 5 into bracket minus 6 by 14, no, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5 by 14, right? Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Can we use any other property over here? No, we can't. So directly 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So over here it will be minus 1 by 7, right? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So minus 1 by 4, right? So LCM, 7 4s are 28 would be the LCM. 7 4 times, so minus 4. Minus 4 7 times 7. And minus 4 and minus 7 is minus 11 by 28. So this is the right answer. Let's move on to part B of the question. Devanshi has total of rupees 590 as currency notes in denomination rupees 50, 20 and rupees 10. Okay. Ratio of number of 50 rupee notes to 20 rupee notes is 3:5. She has total of 25 notes. Okay. Calculate the number of notes of each denomination. Right. So total money kitna hai? Money is equal to rupees 590. Money is 590. Denominations are rupees 50, rupees 20 and rupees 10. Right? Uske साथ साथ we got the ratio. Rupees 50 notes to ratio rupees 20 notes is equal to 3:5. यही दिया हुआ है. Right? We got total notes is equal to 25. Total notes is 25. Each denomination निकालनी है. I have to find each denomination. That's it. Right. So if we have 50 rupee notes, 20 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes, right, we have to find the denomination. Denomination yahan pe aayegi. Right? If we get the denomination, we'll get the money. Right? Money from 50 rupee notes, money from 20 rupee notes, money from 10 rupee notes. If we add all this money, that money constitutes to 590. Right? Do we know? We just know the ratio of 50 rupee notes to 20 rupee notes. So let 50 rupee notes be equal to 3x. Right? Ratio दी हुई है. So 20 rupee notes will be equal to how much? 5x. Right? So this comes out to be 3x. This comes out to be 5x. We got some money. How much money do we get from 50 rupee notes? If there are 10 notes, 10 into 50, there are 3x notes. So 3x into 50. If there are 2 notes, 2 into 20. If there are 5x notes, so 5x into 20. This is the money what we get from 20 rupee notes. Up. We don't know any denomination in x for 10. अब 10 rupee notes की तो denomination है नहीं. What do we do? Total notes are 25. Total is 25. Can't we find 10 rupee notes? 10 rupee notes? Yes, we can. Total is 25 notes. अब we know 50 rupee notes. 3x minus कर दो. We know 20 rupee notes. 5x ये भी minus कर दो. So that comes out to be 25 minus 8x. So that comes out to be 25 minus 8x. So 10 rupee notes, 10 rupee notes is 10 into 25 minus 8x. Right? That's it. So how much is the money what we got is 3 into 50, 150x. So money from 20, 5 into 20 is 100x. So over here 250 minus 80x. Right? 150 plus 100 is 250 minus 80, 170x. Right? Plus 250 is equal to 590. Linear equation in one variable. What to do? Just change the side of the constant, means 250 ki side change karo. What we'll get? 590 minus 250 is 340. You can do it. X is equal to 340 by 170. So 170 1 times and 170 2 times. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So denominations. We got denominations 50 rupee notes, 20 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes. Right? So denominations are 3x, 5x and 25 minus 8x. So 2, 3 into 2, 6. Right? So 5 into 2, 10. Denomination 10. So 10 mein 25 minus 16, 10 into 9. 25 minus 16 is 9. Right? So denomination for 50 is 6, denomination for 20 is 10, denomination for 10 is 9. That's it. So OR part of question number 1. Question number 1, A part was the common part and B part there were 2 options. You can do OR part. Right? So we'll move on to B part, part 1. Standard form we got. Standard form is this much. Right? You have to write standard form. Now you have to write this in standard form. Right? So 0.000000325 in the standard form. So we got 0.000 3 zeros and again 3 zeros, 325 in standard form. Ab standard form में 3.25 करके लिखना पड़ेगा, right? So decimal has to be moved from here to here. So we have to multiply with how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 raised to the power 7 से multiply करना पड़ेगा to move it to 3.25 and 10 raised to the power 7. So we have to divide. Right? So this will come out to be 3.25 into 10 raised to the power 7 denominator mein. So the answer would be 3.25 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. So answer is 3.25 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. Right? In standard form. Now, second one, expanded form. 9.765 in expanded form. This was standard form. मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. So there is no confusion. This was standard form. And now expanded form. This is expanded form. So 9.765 in expanded form, right? So 9 into 1 plus 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Point के बाद सारी terms, right? So 9 into 10 raised to the power 0 plus 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. This is the right answer. You have converted into, हाँ, अब इसके बाद लिखना पड़ेगा, तो 9 into 10 raised to the power 0 plus 7 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 and 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Right? This is the answer. Part 3 पे चलते हैं. 1 भी हो गया, 2 भी हो गया. We'll move on to part 3. Solve using law of exponents. Okay? We'll solve using law of exponents on the other page. So we got 4 by 9 raised to the power 4 into 4 by 9 raised to the power minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 raised to the power 2x minus 1. Right? So 4 by 9 means base is same, 4 by 9, 4 by 9, 4 by 9. Right? So law of exponents का use करना है. What will do? 4 by 9 is base, so powers will get added. 4 plus minus 7. That comes out to be 4 by 9 raised to the power 2x minus 1. So which property did we use? A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. You have to write this to get full marks. So 4 by 9 raised to the power minus 3 is equal to 4 by 9 raised to the power 2x minus 1. This is what we got. अब bases are same, ठीक है, बीच में equal to है, bases are same, so power has to be same. So minus 3 equal to 2x minus 1. So minus 1 की side change करो, minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 2x. Right, so minus 2 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to minus 1. You got your answer. Right? So moving on to question number 2. 2 maybe part A is there. Find the greatest 4-digit number, which is a perfect square. Okay, perfect square होना चाहिए using long division method. Okay, long division method we have to use, perfect square bhi hona chahiye and greatest. So we'll start with greatest 4-digit number. So greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Is it a perfect square? No, it is not a perfect square. Let's make it a perfect square. Okay, using long division method. So we'll do long division method. 9999. Okay, so pairs, first pair, second pair. Right? So 9 9s are 81. Same number has to be there. Subtract it. 7 1. Now 9 minus 1 is 8, not 7. Okay, 1899. Don't make these kind of mistakes, right? Oh, 9. Ab 9 ka double 18. You have to put a number over here as well as over here. What will you put? 9 9. So that would come out to be 1701. Subtract it. What will you get? 198. 198 there is the remainder. So 198 has to be subtracted. You have to write it down, subtracted from 999. 9. So we'll subtract it. 9, 9, 9, 9 minus 198. We'll get 9801, which is actually 99 square. So 9801 is a perfect square. You have to write it down because it is a subjective paper, and these things what you write carries marks, right? Moving on to part B of the question. A locality raised funds for 62,500 to contribute to the families affected by the strategy. There was a tragedy in Uttarakhand, glacier disaster. So 62,500 was contributed by the families affected by the tragedy. Each family of the locality donated equal amount of money. That was a great initiative, right? So part 1. If the total donation is 62,500 and is equal to half of the cube of the number of families who donated the money, find the number of families who donated the money. Total donation was 62,500, right? Each family equal amount. Right? So let number of families who donated money. We want to know that, right? Let the number of families who donated money be equal to x. The number of families who donated money is x. So we'll try to formulate an equation from here. Total donation is 62,500, right? So is equal to half of the cube of the number. Okay, number of families who donated the money. So cube of what? X, right? So 62,500 into 2 cross multiply kiya is equal to x cube. So 1,25,000 is equal to x cube. Now we have to find x. X ढूंढना है. So that x cube is 1,25,000. Now we know x cube would be 50. X would be 50. कैसे? If you don't know, just do prime factorization of 1,25,000. कैसे आएगी? The prime factorization would be 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times. There will be a triplet over here, another 5 into 5 into 5, another triplet, and another 5 into 5 into 5, another triplet, right? So x is 50 means number of families is equal to 50, right? Moving on to the second part. How much money did each family contribute? Okay, now we know the families, right? So let the money given by family be equal to y. Each family donated y amount of money. How many families were there? 50 families who donated y amount of money. So total money was 50 into y. So total money we have already got it. That is total contribution is 62,500. Right. 50y is equal to 62,500. So y is equal to 62,500 by 50. 0. 5 ones are 5. 1, 2, 5, 0. So y is equal to 1250. Right. So total contribution by each family is equal to rupees 1250. राइट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे चलते हैं. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, खत्म करके छोड़ना है. A shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for 10 rupees each. 200 bulbs for 10 rupees each. However, 5 were fused. Okay. He had to throw it away. Okay, fuse to फेंकेगा ही ना, of course. The remaining were sold at 12 rupees each. Find the gain or loss percent. मेरे को क्या निकालना है? Gain or loss. Like, वो भी percentage में. If I get gain or loss in rupees, मेरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. गेन और लॉस कैसे आएगा? वी नीड कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड सेलिंग प्राइस. सो कांट वी फाइंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस फ्रॉम हियर? यस, शॉपकीपर परचेज 200 बल्ब्स फॉर 10 रुपीज ईच. कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ ईच bulb is equal to rupees 10. Total bulbs is equal to 200. Total cost price, this is what we need. Total cost price is equal to 200 into 10. That would come out to be 2000, right? Of course, rupees mein. Now we need the selling price. Cost price so aa gayi, we just need the selling price. 5 bulbs were fused. Fused bulbs 5, remaining bulbs is equal to 200 minus 5. That comes out to be 195. 195. And selling price of each bulb? We know 12. Okay, 12 rupees, right? So total selling price, we'll get it from here. How much is total selling price? Total selling price would be 195 bulbs were sold at 12 rupees each. 195 into 12. That's it. That comes out to be 2340. Total selling price is rupees 2340. Ab batao, cost price is more or selling price is more? Of course, selling price is more. So selling price minus cost price. So there will be a profit, right? So we need the profit. So profit comes out to be, selling price is 2340 minus 2000. So profit is equal to 340 rupees. What do we need? Profit in percentage. We'll convert it. So profit would be 340 by cost price. How much is cost price? Cost price is 2000 into 100. Right? So profit percentage would be, we'll find it out, 2 gone, 1 gone, 2 ones are 2 17 times. So percentage would be, profit percentage would be 17%. This is the right answer. Was it a difficult one? Not at all. Let's move on to the last part, B part. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Okay, cost. 450 was spent on repairs. If it's sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. Okay, cost price of an article. Okay, we know the cost price of an article is 15,500. Right, 450 he spent on repairs. Repairs pay he spent 450. So new cost price, because repairs has to be added, so new cost price would be 15,950. Right, if we sold at a profit of 15%, profit of 15%, we just need the selling price. Selling price is needed. That's it. So profit hua. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Right? So profit is 15%. 15% of what? Of cost price. Right? Is equal to selling price that we have to find. Cost price is 15,950. Right? So 15% of 15,950 is equal to selling price minus 15,950. We have to change the side of 15,950, right? So selling price would be equal to, मैं selling price को इधर लिख लेता हूँ. We'll do it on the left hand side. So this goes here. So 2392.5 minus 15,950. Change the side of 15,950. Answer would be 18,342.5. That is the selling price in rupees. So that concludes the Carmel Convent half-yearly exam, even the subjective part. All the very best for your future exams. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to support us. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.